Okay, today I'm going to show you an easy way to make money with affiliate marketing by using Claude AI to make you 100% free tool that you can install on your website. Now, first thing we need to do, we need to find trending topics. Now, to do that, we will go here on Google Trends, and then we will click here on Explore. And then here we will choose Worldwide. And then here we will choose in past 30 days or past month. And here you can see 2026 World Cup FIFA. So here you can see again World Cup 2026, World Cup, FIFA World Cup. So World Cup is definitely a biggest trend in past 30 days. And here you can see raising queries. Here you can see Argentina, Switzerland, Mexico, England, Argentina, Cabo Verde, Brazil, Norway, and so on and so on. So definitely World Cup is the biggest trend in past 30 days. So when I actually copy this keyword, I can go here and I can search a specific term and then press enter. And now I can see this topic, and here you can see it is slowly going down because I'm making this in the July 14th, so World Cup is coming to the end. And here I can see some related terms. Now, if you follow World Cup, Football World Cup, you know that Erling Haaland, Norway's sports superstar, is biggest star of this tournament. So here I can search for Erling Haaland. So I will simply search for Erling Haaland. And here you can see Google Trends is already suggesting because this is a big trend. And let me just see, and here you can see Erling Haaland is a big trend. And here you can see Haaland, Erling Haaland. So this is a big trend. And also when we go here, for example, on Pinterest trends, and when we scroll here you can see some big trends in past 30 days in United States on Pinterest. Here you can see cargo pants, world's most beautiful people, football player images. And then here again, you can see there is Erling Haaland. So when I click here, I can see this is a good trend. This is a big trend. And here you can see in June, this was 100. This means this was a maximum trend. So Erling Haaland, when I click here on World Cup 2026, I can get even more information. And here I can see even more related keywords. Here I can see some demographics. So Erling Haaland is definitely a big football star, and it is definitely a big trend. Okay, so what I need to do, I actually need to see, are there any products that are related to Erling Haaland that I can actually promote and make money? So obviously, because he's a football player, first thing that comes to my mind is what kind of shoes he's actually wearing. So what I can do, I can simply come here on Google, and then here I can search exactly that term. Okay, and then press enter. And here I can actually see what kind of shoes Erling Haaland is wearing. Here you can see Nike Phantom 6. So these are the shoes that Erling Haaland is wearing. So what I can do, I can simply copy this, okay? I can copy this, and then I can go here on Amazon, and I can search that exact shoes, okay? Press enter, and here you can see Phantom 6. Okay, these are the shoes that Erling Haaland is wearing. So when I click here, I can see these shoes here. So I can promote these shoes that costs $133. So next thing I need to do, I need to write an article about Erling Haaland, okay? So I will go here on Claude AI, and then I will give it this prompt. Give me ideas for my article about Erling Haaland that are a little controversial but very interesting. And then press enter. And now Claude AI will give me ideas for my article about Erling Haaland. Here you can see Haaland is a product of system, not a generational talent. He's already past his tactical peak, and so on and so on. So I need to choose one of these topics for the article, for my article that I will publish. I will actually tell it to give me more ideas. So give me more ideas. Okay. I made a typo. Okay. And now it will give me even more ideas if you are not satisfied with these ideas. Here, for some reason, it gave me 8 ideas. Usually it gives 10 or 15. So here you can see 9, 10, okay, here you can see 14, 15, okay. But here I will also say that give me something positive, because here you can see these are all actually negative about Erling Haaland. I need something positive. So I will say, give me positive ideas, okay? And now Claude AI will give me positive ideas. Just give it a few seconds to do a research. Here you can see Haaland is breaking score records that should be. So let's say, for example, I like this title here. So now I will give it a new prompt. And I will say something like this. So I will give it this prompt. Here you can see, write me an article on this idea. Okay, so I have chosen this first title here. And it is very important that that article is authentic and looks like it was written by a real human. Okay, and press enter. And now Claude AI will write that article for me. Now, Claude AI will write this article, but I would strongly recommend you to personally rewrite this article so it looks 100% like it was written by a real human being. Now, you don't have to do that, but I would recommend you to do that, okay? And here you can see now Claude AI is doing research and it will write this article for me. So what we need to do next, in the meantime, we need to publish this article on our website. Now, this is important. You must publish this article on your own blog or website, on your own hosting. You cannot publish this article on vocal.media, on medium.com, or any other website. You must publish this article on your own website, and in the minute you will see why. Okay, so this is the article that Claude AI wrote for me. So what I need to do, I need to copy this title here. Okay, and let's say, for example, I wish to publish this article on my Blogger blog. Blogger is owned by Google, so it is 100% safe, and hosting is 100% free. And here you can see this is my title. So now I need to open this. So let me just switch this to compose view. So now I need to open this article with an interesting image. So I will simply go here, okay? And then here I will search for Erling Haaland, okay? Okay, Erling Haaland. And then I will go here on images. And here I need to find an interesting image, okay? So as you can see, he has, let's just say, an interesting face, okay? So I need to choose one of these images. Let me just choose one of these images. Let's say, for example, this image here. I need to click on this image and then right click here on this image and then click here on copy image link. Click here, go back here on Blogger and then click here on image and then click here by URL. And then here you simply need to paste that image link. And here you can see it automatically pulled this image. So I will just click here on insert image. So Blogger will automatically embed this image here. It will automatically embed this image here on your blog. As you can see here, you can actually click here and you can click here and you can say, let's say, for example, let's say medium size update, and here you can see how this image looks now. So now I need to go back here on Claude AI and I need to simply copy this entire article. Okay, Control C, go back here and I can paste that article here. Here you can see how this looks. Now, ideally, you will go on YouTube and find some interesting YouTube videos about Erling Haaland in this case, and you would add that videos here in your article. So let me just click here on preview to see how this article looks. And here you can see this is the title, this is the image, here you can see this is the article, and you're probably wondering right now, well, how do I actually make money with this article? Well, what you can do, you can simply, let me just close this. You need to go back on Claude AI, and then here you need to give it a new prompt. So I need to go here and I need to click here to create a new chat, and I will give it this prompt. Make a pop-up recommending an Amazon affiliate product. This is the affiliate, this is the product. So I need to go back here on Amazon and this is the product. So I need to scroll here, click on get a link. So this is my Amazon affiliate link. Okay. And then here I will add that link. Okay. And actually here I will say make a pop-up recommending my Amazon affiliate product. This is the product and affiliate link, okay? And affiliate link, okay? And now all I have to do, and also here you can see add an interesting related title and pull the price from the Amazon affiliate link. And all I have to do now is just press enter, and now Claude AI will create this pop-up for me. And then I simply need to install this pop-up on my blog, on my website. Now you can install this pop-up on your website, so whenever someone visits your website, it will see that pop-up. Also, you can install that pop-up on a specific page. So only when people visit that specific page, that pop-up will show up. It will not show on other pages of your website. When I click here I can see how this looks, how this pop-up actually looks. Just give it a few seconds, and here you can see how this pop-up looks. Nike Phantoms. So here you can see it didn't actually pull the price. So when I go here, I can see price. Price is 0, so I can change that if I want. Here you can see I can change this other stuff. Here I can change my affiliate link, and so on and so on. So all I have to do now, simply click here on copy, go back here, and then I will simply switch here on HTML view, and I will scroll down on the bottom, and then I will simply paste that HTML code. So let me just click here on preview to see how this looks now. And here you can see this pop up. Like I said, I can add the image here, I can change the title if I want, I can add price. Here when we go back here on Amazon, here we can see the price is $133. And also this is my affiliate link because this is a preview, I cannot click on it, but when I publish this, this will be clickable. So when someone visits this page here, only this page here, this will pop up, and when they click on it, and if they buy these shoes here, I will earn an affiliate commission. So all you have to do now is just, let me just close this, you just need to publish this article, and then you just need to start driving as much traffic as you can to this article here that you published on your website, on your blog, that actually contains your Amazon affiliate pop-up in this case. Now you can, for example, go and create highlights related to Erling Haaland in this case, and you can publish those highlights, those videos on YouTube as a YouTube Shorts, on Instagram as a Reels, on Facebook as a Reels, on Twitter, on TikTok, on Pinterest, on related forums, on Reddit, wherever you can. Just drive as much traffic as you can to this article that contains your pop-up with your affiliate link, okay? And why this tactic actually works? Because you will provide a valuable article to these people to read, to inform them, to make their time interesting, to make their time pass faster, and at the same time you will promote your affiliate product. And if some of those people buy that product, you will earn an affiliate commission. The more traffic you drive to this article, the more people will click on your affiliate link, and probably more people will buy that product, and you will probably make more money. As you can see, Claude AI makes affiliate marketing really, really easy. So if you're a beginner, you need to start applying some of these tactics right now. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.